Salut les garçons, salut les filles de 3e année, j'espère que vous allez bien. On a commencé une nouvelle unité, unité 4. Elle a dit que le titre de cette unité, c'est le programme de la semaine. We have started a new unit, unit 4, and we said that the title of this unit, it is le programme de la semaine. As we always do, we are going to translate or see what does the title of the unit mean. Le programme. Le programme, it is the program. There it means of, and la semaine, it is the week. So the title, le programme de la semaine, it means the program of the week. When we explained the title, last time I told you, for example, you are traveling to France and you are going to stay there for 1 week. You are going to make a program, right? For example, the first day you will visit La Tour Eiffel. The next day you go to le Château de Versailles. The third day you will go to les Champs-Élysées, for example. This is the programme de la semaine. Okay? What are we going to study? We are going to study first les jours de la semaine. It's not in your program this year, and normally we don't study it, but since we are speaking about la semaine and the programme, we have to review les jours de la semaine, the days of the week, and this is what we did the first session, if you remember. Donc, les jours de la semaine, on a 7 jours. I need you to remember that la semaine, it is the week, and les jours, it is the days. La semaine, the week, you will have it in vocabulary. La semaine, it is the week, and les jours, it is the days. On a 7 jours. We have 7 days. Like in English, like in Arabic or any language, the days do not change. On a 7 jours. La seule différence, the only difference, is that en France, la semaine commence par le lundi. In France, the week starts lundi. Donc en France, notre semaine commence le lundi. D'accord? We have said this. We said that we have differences here. Par contre, en Arabie Saoudite, était Saudi Arabia, la semaine commence le dimanche. The week starts dimanche. Donc, la semaine en France commence le lundi. La semaine en Arabie Saoudite commence le dimanche. When you ask me, teacher, why? I said because of prayer issue. In Saudi Arabia, we pray vendredi, so we need these 2 days vacation or end of the week. And in France, we pray dimanche. D'accord? So, I need you to remember this also. La semaine en France commence le lundi. La semaine en Arabie Saoudite commence le dimanche. Ok? Allez, on passe maintenant aux jours de la semaine. Donc, on a les jours de la semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Dimanche, Sunday, it is the first day of the week on Arabie Saoudite in Saudi Arabia. We have seen the song. Most of you learned the song, but the next session, when I ask you the question, what is jeudi? You were confused. What is vendredi? You were confused. I'm not saying all of you, but few boys and girls. Now, what I told you. For me, it's not important to sing the song. It's important for me that you know what you are saying or what you are singing. When I say lundi, I need you to know that lundi, it is Monday. Mercredi, it is Wednesday. Samedi, Saturday, like this. Okay? This is how we revise. We don't just, singing just for fun like this, no. Okay? Allez, les jours de la semaine, on a lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Bien sûr, là, on parle de la semaine en France because it is starting on Monday, on lundi. Okay? Si on parle de la semaine en Arabie Saoudite, if we state the days like in Saudi Arabia, On commence en dit dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. D'accord? Allez, on continue maintenant. Donc voilà pour les jours de la semaine. Please, I need you to revise and to know what you are revising, not only sing or memorize. I hate memorizing just like this. Après avoir vu ou revu les jours de la semaine, on a entamé notre thème, page 22. Donc, on a vu le programme de la semaine. We have these two characters, les deux personnages. On a Marc, bien sûr, vous le connaissez, et Aline. Mark and his sister Aline. I told you, they got very good mark in the midterm, like you. And their parents decided to send them to Paris to reward them, okay? They sent them for 7 days to Paris. Of course, Aline and Mark, they are going to make a program. What to visit and in which day, okay? D'accord, donc voilà. On a le programme de la semaine. Ça, c'est le programme de Marc et Aline. This is the program of Marc et Aline. When I asked you boys when they will arrive to Paris. Samedi. This is the first day. What is samedi? Samedi, it is Saturday. So this is the first day, Saturday. When they are going to leave? Vendredi. What is vendredi? Friday. So they are staying in Paris from samedi to vendredi. What are they going to do? Let's see. Samedi. This is the program. So samedi, on va au cirque. Là, on parle du programme de la semaine. We speak about the program of the week of Aline and Marc in Paris. On va au cirque. What is le cirque? Et on a dit que le cirque, it is the circus. Dimanche, Sunday. On va où? By the way, here, when we studied last session, we translated the days of the week. You have them. And we wrote the vocabulary here also. Okay? On va au cirque. Le cirque, it is the circus. Dimanche, Sunday, on va au château de Versailles. On a dit que château, it is castle. And I have showed you the pictures of le château de Versailles, if you remember, Astérix, etc. Lundi, Monday, on va à la piscine. La piscine, it is the pool, even in Arabic you say it. On va à la piscine. Mardi, c'est la fête des enfants. On a dit que la fête des enfants, it is Children's Day, which means they have a party. They have une fête. Mercredi, on va au parc Astérix. On a dit que parc, it is park. Difference in the spelling. En français, the word ends with C, and in English, it ends with K. Donc, le parc Astérix, and I showed you the picture of le parc Astérix. Jeudi, which is Thursday, on va visiter le jardin. Voilà le jardin. Le jardin, it is the garden. Vendredi, on dort, we sleep, we rest in order to travel back to their home. Donc voilà le programme de la semaine d'Aline et Marc. Je répète, le cirque, it is the circus. Château, it is castle. La piscine, it is the pool. La fête des enfants, it means Children's Day. And fête alone, without those enfants, it means party. Le parc, it is park. Le jardin, it is the garden. And on dort, it means we sleep. Now let's speak about the pronunciation. Programme de la semaine, ok. On va au cirque. Vous avez là le AU. And we wrote this also. On a dit que le AU en français était O. Donc je dis on va au cirque. On va au cirque. On continue. Le château. La même chose pour Le EAU.